Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can see your liked videos on Pinterest. So for the purpose of this video I'm going to choose a random one from here and I'm going to like it. So let's say I want to choose this very first
wet ingredients into the bowl.
And I want to like this post. Just a few seconds. Okay, so now I like this video. So in order to see the videos that I liked, what I'm going to do is hit this icon right here where it says saved. It's something like a profile icon, and then I'm going to hit this icon with the three dots at the top right corner and then settings. So right here you will see an option home feed tuner. You're going to tap on that option, and as you can see right here, this video is the one that I have just liked before. So basically what you'll have to do is just open this page, and if you have more videos in your history that you liked, you will find them right here. So this is all for today guys, and if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.